Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. Today, we are going to explore a solution that many business owners face when it comes to increasing traffic to their website. Now, we all know that by having a beautifully designed and well thought out website is truly an indispensable tool in attracting new business. Websites are the window to the world and most common opportunity for potential customers to have and getting to know your brand better. Once you have your website up and running, how do you ensure you're getting the visitors to your site? Well, search no further, as we are going to look at the benefits of SEO or search engine optimization within the Odoo website application. Search engine optimization is simply the process of increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic by growing the visibility of a website on a search engine. Now, we're not going into detail about how the algorithms work across the various search engines or the differences between white hat and black hat techniques, but rather we are going to show you the various tools Odoo offers as a way to increase your placement in the search engine results and ultimately increasing traffic. We are going to explore two main features that will help in your website SEO by looking at the SEO wizard and by creating blogs. Both of these tools are found on the Odoo website application and are critical in improving your search results for your business. So first things first, let's hop onto my database and locate the SEO optimization tool and see how it works by increasing my relevancy on a search engine. And here we are on my website application. And for the purpose of this demo, we are an online furniture company and we need more traffic. I can see through my analytics right here that we could increase our traffic. So let's optimize my search results to ensure greater visibility. Here on the menu bar, we can identify the SEO optimization feature. Once we open it, we find a plethora of ways to strengthen our online presence. First, we can create a title for our website, and in our case, it's the name of our company. Next, we want to include a brief description of my company. Here, I like to use the 3 C's. Let's make it clear, concise, and compelling. Now that we are starting to add related keywords to our list, remember that these keywords are going to be words or phrases that people type into a search engine to narrow down what they are looking for. You can have words, terms, or phrases here in various languages as well. Once you add a word, Odoo will assist in adding a few more keywords, enriching the totality of keywords being used. Now that we have a good understanding of these keywords and adding a few more, we can also see how images can help increase your search results. Now, have you ever searched for something to buy using just an image search? I know I have, and it has led to some pretty successful discoveries. So all of the images used on your website are cataloged right here. These images can also be used on your social media pages that add a better SEO relevance. To recap what we looked at with SEO, it's important to have a compelling description, a wide range of keywords and terms, as well as engaging pictures and images. All right, the second way to increase your visibility on a search engine is by having a blog on your site. One of the most effective ways to build brand awareness while also providing relevant and useful content to your target audience is through consistent blogging. Blogging is an inexpensive way for small businesses to drive traffic to your site, enhance inbound marketing efforts, and attract more prospective customers. Let's take a look at how easy it is to create new content with the Odoo Blog Builder. Here we are again on my website, and we're going to locate the blog tab and easily find all the blogs that have been created. But today, I want to add a new blog about current trends in fine furniture world. Let's see how easy it is to create new content and publish this blog. And voila, here we have created a new blog and have it now on our website. Odoo was created to make life easier for business owners. Now you don't need to hire a marketing agency to help you with your marketing initiatives. These easy-to-use tools are there to empower business owners to be more successful in growing their success. If you would like to learn more about how these and other powerful Odoo tools work, please reach out to us directly or get in touch with one of our business analysts who will be more than happy to assess your current marketing plans and growth strategy. As always, thank you all again for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it on!